Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to create an ID.me account. Sometimes you need a verified ID for online services, government programs, or discounts. Creating an ID.me account helps you do that safely. Here's a simple guide to set up your ID.me account. First, go to the ID.me website on your browser. Next, click on Sign In at the top right corner. If you already have an account, you can log in by entering your email address and password. If you don't have an account yet, click on Create an ID.me account. Now enter your email address and create a password, then type it again to confirm. You will receive a 6-digit code in your email. Open your Gmail and find the mail from ID.me. You can either click on Confirm your email or copy the code. Go back to the ID.me page, paste the code, and click Confirm Code. Next, you need to set up multi-factor authentication for extra security. You can choose from several options like passkey, text message, phone call, or push notifications. For example, select text message or phone call, then click Continue anyway. Choose your preferred method such as text me or call me, select your country code, and enter your phone number. Finally, click Continue to complete the setup. Once done, your ID.me account is ready to use. You can now securely access verified services, government programs, discounts, or online platforms that require identity verification. Always keep your login details safe and make sure your multi-factor authentication is active for better security. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.